1 to 2,000, that means you are scoring better. If it is beyond 3-4,000, that means you have to struggle hard. So my opinion is that you should join two cities. One is wherever you are taking the class. Where you are taking the class?
Academy.
So there also you give the test. You are appearing for the test or not?
Yes, sir.
What is your rank or I mean your institution?
So it's not very good.
Forget about that. Is it within 5,000?
So,
Any rank within 5,000 means you can expect yourself to be somewhere in PMT. Okay. Otherwise, you will be out of the competition. So one thing that I would suggest you, all India Test Series join, and particularly from CAS and LN, because these two institutions are world known. Yes.
Yes.
LN
For
is
me,
known
they
for
are
that. Acha, for others also there is one. I mean, because he is my just child, so on behalf of him I am giving. See, whenever you are studying any subject, whether it is English, whether it is Hindi, go to the depth of the subject.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Those who are having English honors, how many of you are going to having?
All of them, sir.
So, just make it a point that you will do everything English, everything. What I am saying,
Yes.
just go through the depth of your syllabus. Depth of your syllabus. Completely, I mean, enter into the depth of the syllabus and entirely go make yourself, I mean, a capable teacher, a capable speaker, a capable statesman.
Yes,
Because nowadays a teacher is not a teacher.
Yes.
He's a statesman.
Correct.
He is a programmer.
Correct.
He's a speaker.
Yes, sir.
Versatile.
He's a public, I mean, officer.
Yes, yes.
And he's also a speech officer. Now there is a term,
Yes, sir.
speech officer.
Right.
Yes, sir.
One who can convince the audience and make the audience understand that the world is now changing
Versatile.
electronically and voice-wise. Communicate in the sense that people will know you better than you know yourself.
Right.
Yes, sir.
You have to make the people know better than you know yourself. So acknowledgement and exchange of acknowledgement will help. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
So please join. That is my advice.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm really happy that
Same here.
my child Pankaj is doing the work which I should have been doing because I don't have the time.
Yes, sir.
But he is doing on our behalf. So it is an honor
Sir, it's your
to
blessing,
be
sir.
associated with the Noble
Blessings and support.
Expressions.
Yes, sir.
And Noble Expression is indeed doing, it is catering to the needs of providing elementary knowledge to the English speaking children.
Yes, sir.
Right.
So it is a wonder in this small place you can
Yes,
just
sir.
see a dedicated young man who has given everything.
Yes, sir.
What about your, GGPS?
Sir.
You left.
Yes, yes,
I
sir.
came to know.
Yes,
Don't bother.
last.
Don't bother.
Sir, I have started my own school actually.
Keep this working on this. Children will bless you
Yes,
and
sir.
God will bless you.
Right.
Because they are also the second of the children.
I resigned, sir, because I started my own school.
That's
in
good.
Chas.
That's good. If you started
That's Noble
a school,
Expressions
it
Public
will
School.
come up.
Sir, visit someday,
Definitely.
sir, please.
Definitely. When I came here,
Yes,
they're also
Yes, sir.
welcome.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. It's really nice to be associated with
Same
Noble
as-
Expression.
Yes, sir.
And Pankaj is going to do something. I'm sure.
Thank you, sir. I
Nothing
need your
to worry
blessing,
about.
sir.
Thanks. It's my
and that
pleasure.
is always there.
It's my pleasure. It's
Thank
for
you,
you
sir.
to put that in.